generations, farmers have bent their backs to clear fields day after day, harvest after harvest. But today, technology is here to lift that burden. Shaktiman SRB 120 is more than just a baler. It's a partner that saves time, improves productivity, and empowers families to grow forward. Let's explore what makes this baler a game changer. Got a tractor with 55 HP or more? The SRB 120 is designed for quick attachment and seamless operation, making it ideal for both large and mid-sized farms. At the heart of SRB 120 is a dual-side drive system powered by a shear bolt-protected PTO shaft. Unlike single-side driven balers, this setup splits power. The left side drives the rollers, the right side powers cutting bar, ensuring balanced torque, smoother operations, and greater durability. The extra-wide 1920mm pickup unit features 120 closely spaced tines, a reinforced sprocket and chain drive, and sealed heavy-duty bearings, all designed for uninterrupted material flow even in dense residues like wheat, paddy, and maize. Plus, with the hydraulic lifting mechanism, you get better control and smooth operation across field conditions. With 13 high-grade cutter knives spaced at 77 mm and controlled by a hydraulic solenoid system, the SRB 120 delivers precise, adjustable cutting for maximum productivity and minimal downtime. Inside the fixed chamber, 18 embossed rollers rotate continuously to form dense, round bales. With a 7-step manual density control, adjustable depending on crop variety and moisture level, you can choose your level of compression for compact, transport-friendly bales weighing up to 205 kg with a diameter of 120 cm and width of 122 cm. As the bale completes, a buzzer in the remote alerts the operator. The automatic binding system secures it using jute or PP twine or net wrapping option, and the hydraulic tailgate ejects it effortlessly. No manual lifting required. Safety is built in with the tailgate lock system for worry-free operations. The automatic lubrication system keeps the baler running smooth, greasing critical components like bearings, rollers, and chains in real time. That means less downtime, longer life, and zero hassle. The SRB 120 includes a smart electronic display controller that shows bale count, density settings, and system alerts, providing real-time visibility and easy diagnostics at your fingertips. Work doesn't stop at sunset. Perfect position reflectors boost all-angle visibility, and work lights ensure clear night baling. With the SRB 120, your work stays safe, efficient, and uninterrupted day or night. Compared to conventional balers, the SRB 120 offers a superior mix of performance, durability, control, and safety, making it the smarter choice for today's farming needs. The SRB 120 delivers an impressive hourly output of 25 to 35 bales, with each bale measuring 1200 mm in diameter and a pickup working width of 1700 mm. Powerful, efficient, and built for the long haul, Shaktiman SRB 120 round baler is your partner in modern baling. Want to boost productivity and simplify residue management? Visit shaktimanagro.com or connect with your nearest dealer.